Morning everyone. Hope you all are very well. Today we are going to start new chapter of civics, that is understanding diversity. Students, if you look at both of the word, it is emphasis on a particular word, that is diversity. It may be a new thing for you. Okay. What is diversity? First of all, let me know the meaning of the word diversity means. To a range of different things, it can be many things. Whatever you can see, whatever you feel, whatever you can think, even depending on that diversity is a word that originate. It is actually a Latin word. Even it has a French synonym and it is used in English also. Okay, that we all know from this diversity in India. What we can see, how many types of things are there in India? Students, do you know diversity in India? Diversity in India based on diversity, diversity, diversity in India. Okay, based on dress, food, caste, language, region. REGION. Students, first of all, let's know about reason. Okay, what is reason? Who may live in different places in India? There are many states, union territories. Someone can live in mountain, someone may be in the coastal region, but we all are Indian. Right, students? So, based on the reason, we can say there are on their location where they are stay, we practice so many religion in the world. Okay, students, hope you are understand the reason. Our next point is dress. In India, there are many states and every person wore different type of dresses. Like in Punjab, wore kurta pajama and where women wore shalwar suit. Do you understand, students? Dresses you see in your neighborhoods, they wear different type of dresses. Okay. Next topic is our food. Students, do you know we all need food to live? People live in different part of India, eat different kind of food, the type of food one eat. It's depend upon the land from climate and the crops grow in the region one lives, like wheat, rice, maize, bajra are the most popular food grains in India. Okay, students, do you understand food? And next point is language. Do you know, students, all people in India speak different language. Like the person in Gujarat speaks Gujarati, person in Punjab speak Punjabi, and other states, other person of states speak other types of language. Okay, next. And last thing is caste. Students, you see in your classroom, neighborhood, all people are different in caste. Some of them were Bengali, Muslim, Hindu, Sikh, and Christians, Punjabi, etc. Okay, students, now I am showing you some pictures related to diversity. Students, do you see the pictures? Now comes towards the next point. Okay, now we explain you in simple diversity. Diversity means being different in looks, dresses, habits, lifestyle, etc. Okay, students, diversity means being different in looks, dresses, habits, lifestyle, etc. Okay, diversity makes our life easy and interesting. Do you know, students? Do you agree this statement? Because if all people followed a single profession, human life would not exist. Do you know? Students, can you imagine this? If all people were farmers who would provide us with clothes, house and medicine, who would look after our health if there were no doctor? Okay, so without diversity, life would be boring and less enjoyable. Do you understand? Students, that's I told you, diversity means different in lifestyle, just like some person were doctor, teacher, farmer, etc. Okay, hope you all students understand today's topic, understanding diversity. Tomorrow we will continue our cultural diversity. That's all. Thank you, students. Thank you, class.